And you can feel that electricity. No! Oh, man. How do you beat an opponent that can do that to you? And there's an overhand right. The range of emotions here is startling. There's almost an unknowing of what to expect. He was able to reverse that. Incoming! Oh, we got him! I mean, that's how you pick your moment and go for it. Stop by Baker, well scouted. That'll get you some attention. And did you hear the impact on that kick? Ouch! You can hear that in different time zones. Well, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Championship on the line. Woo, a little showboating going on here. And it heads up. Just a little too slow there. Spine buster. The Elimination Chamber here at No Way Out. It weighs 16 tons. He was able to reverse that. Ouch. If there's a boot in this business that can shatter someone's face on contact, we just saw it. What agility. Oh my, what thunderous impact. And a monster with tremendous power. These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here at WWE. And he goes for the neckbreaker. Stopped by Baker, well scouted. Baker going for an early kick out. And a monster with tremendous power. He's heading back up. Whoa! Nice reversal. And he gets out of the way. That kick almost took his head off. And he wants to get out of there in the worst way. Now back to the ring. Baker wants to drop. No! Well, he was able to reverse and get out of that. Oh, this isn't over yet. Look at him go. Baker wants to take it off. Watch it. With the championship at stake, you know these superstars will get everything they have to win here tonight. Baker winning. Ducks the way, and he kicks out of it. You saw that one coming. And there's some more emotion on display. Here's the pin, and he kicks out. Again, the championship title at stake in this contest. Oh, I'm not sure. With a miss like that, I'm wondering if he has something in his eye.